1,000,000 grains of sand. That's a heap. Remove one grain, still a heap. Remove another. One grain never destroys a heap, right? The Sorites Paradox. When does a heap stop being a heap? Keep removing. 1, 2, 3,000. Eventually you have 1,000 grains, still a heap. Then 100. Maybe still a heap. 10, 3, 2, 1. Is one grain a heap? Of course not. But every removal followed the same rule. If a heap minus 1 is still a heap, then a heap can shrink to 0 and still be a heap. Welcome to the contradiction. It haunts every word with fuzzy boundaries. When does a child become an adult? When does bald start? Tall? Rich? How many hairs make hair long? Some logicians embrace fuzzy logic, partial truth values. Maybe heap is true to degree 0, 7 at 500 grains. Others say there's a hidden, unknowable cutoff. Either way, not all true or false questions have crisp answers. Reality is sharp. Words are fuzzy.